Onion is an excellent, pure treatment for hair. From hair progress to thickness and shine, they've efficiently made a place in one of many pure hair cures. Onions are wealthy in sulfur content material. It improves blood circulation of scalp and promotes hair growth perfectly. It additionally will increase collagen manufacturing in hair, thus making them wholesome and powerful. Onion also kills bacterial and fungal infections of scalp. It additionally thickens your hair, treats dandruff, and stop hair loss. Onion juice fits each oily and dry hair. One easy method to use onion for hair growth. Onion juice hair rinse. Boil 4 to 5 chopped onions, after then set it apart for 1 to 2 hours to chill. Now strain and pour the juice right into a jug as soon as cooled. Wash your hair with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Pour the onion juice on your hair. Don't rinse your hair after this. Do it 2 to 3 times every week. As long as you don't feel the smell, this hair rinse will help increase hair growth and preserve your scalp and hair free from oxidative injury.